Are you having the Viber verification code problem and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because myself, I was not able to actually get a verification code for my Viber before, but I was able to fix it. And basically what I did is that I firstly closed the Viber app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app, and here I just scrolled down, and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, then I scrolled down in here once again, and I clicked on storage. And then I just simply waited a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps. So basically we're just going to wait here a couple of more seconds. Now when it's done, scroll all the way up until you can see the search bar up top. Search for Viber in here. Very simple, just search for Viber, click on it. Then you're going to click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load. So we're just going to wait a little bit longer and click on Reinstall App now when you can see it. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times to force it to actually update, but basically what happens now is that your Viber app will update to its latest version. Sometimes this is the reason why you're not able to get the verification code, because you are using like an old version of Viber that doesn't really like send out verification codes anymore. So try to update it, then when it's done, go back into the app, and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.